Hello and welcome to the Young Turks Dream Decade. I'm Shireen Bhan. Over the next 30 minutes, we travel across India to bring you hot entrepreneurial stories. Right up front, we continue to put the spotlight on India's booming internet economy, another inspirational entrepreneur and his story. On YT Gets Real, we bring you an entrepreneur who's trying to make a social impact, and on the YT Buzz, everything that's hot and happening in the world of entrepreneurship. A quick glimpse of what we have lined up on the show. Now you can text, chat, update your social media profile, all of that for free, and that's thanks to Raju Vannapalla's way2sms.com, a web portal that carries all your text messages for free. Now Raju has big ambitions. He wants to take his business global. He's already reached out to 20 million subscribers in India and has done revenues of 12 crore rupees. So we decided the time was right to send Shruti out to find out more about Raju and way2sms.com.
After a master's degree in computer applications, Raju Vannapalla decided to take the entrepreneurial route with the business low on investments and high on returns. After studying various opportunities, he decided to bet on the mobile internet space and found his way to success. Founded in 2006, way2sms.com is India's first free text messaging portal that also allows you to chat, get email and social media alerts. With over 4 million page views every month, Raju believes way2SMS could be India's answer to Google.
So you're the first web portal in India to introduce free SMS.
Exactly.
Tell us, how does the platform operate? How are you providing these free SMSs, and how easy is this for a user to just log on to way2SMS and enjoy the experience?
In fact, it's a risky feat, okay, to start such kind of a business model, giving SMS for free, because I was buying a message at 27 pice from the telecom operator, and I'm giving it for free to the user.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a big risk in fact, and nobody has tried. And I was started, like analyzing why these guys have not started anything of this kind.
Sure.
Okay, the only reason is because balancing the costs against the revenues is a big challenge there.
Yeah.
Okay, but I took the I took the risk. So it's a runaway success for us. Okay, soon after we started way2SMS. In fact, I started getting somewhere around 2,000 users within 3 months of launch.
Yeah.
Per day. And it's very easy on way2SMS. We made the user experience very, 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 easy. User can just register with his mobile number. We'll send a password to him just to authenticate, just to check the ownership of his mobile. Then he logs into way2SMS and he can start sending messages. It's something like, you can add contacts and you can start pushing messages to their friends.
So apart from SMSs, what are the other features that you provide?
The moment a user lands on our site, he can start communicating in multiple channels. So one through SMS, the other through chatting, the other through emailing, and he can receive alerts, he can be in touch with his inbox anytime.
So what is the kind of traction that you've created for the business?
I think we are the only company grown the Silicon Valley style.
Okay.
Okay, with zero advertising budget and focus on viral marketing and word of mouth. On online, yes, like we have 20 million registered profiles right now.
Sure.
And according to ComScore, around 5 million users are visiting way2SMS every month. We are generating close to 400 million page views. That's a big number in fact in the Indian context. I think we may be the one among the top 5 largest portals in the country in terms of page views. When it comes to mobile, so currently we are reaching around 55 million unique mobiles every month, and then our contacts, that's a big asset to us. So we are managing a massive contacts database size of 365 million contacts in our database. That's almost half of our Indian mobile subscriber user base.
So while mobile users are on a rise, do you really think that people in India are realizing the potential of connecting via SMS, especially through the web? And what is the kind of potential that you see for your business?
Yes, in fact, people are still preferring sending messages through way2SMS. The reason is because we are adding tremendous value to consumer because we are saving cost to them. Like we are saving close to 10 to 15 crore cost, SMS costs every month to our consumers.
Okay.
So we are still adding around 23,000 new users every day, and we are adding close to 7 lakh users every month. And we are growing the same pace, and my growth is still, increasing month on month.
You've already grossed revenues of 12 crore rupees. What is the revenue model? How are you sustaining yourself today?
Right now we are monetizing on the web. We are keeping, we have partnerships with all the digital agencies and also ad networks, the large ad networks in the country.
Sure.
So we are generating revenues only through online advertisements at this moment. We are not spamming anybody, and we are not reaching with advertisements on mobile. We truly respect the privacy of the users. We are planning an innovative advertising platform around V2 SMS. I said click to call advertising platform and click to message advertising platform. Okay, so those are coming up. Okay, that will turn V2 SMS as an advertising powerhouse in the Indian context.
And building this advertising powerhouse, V2 SMS today has capacities to deliver over 2,000 messages every second. Having already partnered major telecom operators like Tata Indicom, Value First and Loop Mobile, Raju feels catering to this wide range of operators is a big challenge.
The biggest challenge is being managing the multiple relations with the operators with different cost structures.
Okay.
Because there is no standard cost structure between the operators, whereas in case of one operator we are paying around 1 pice, in case of another operator we are paying around 2 pice. So the volume, it depends on the volume as well. So we are in a dynamic business model. Okay.
Sure.
So we have to keep on innovating in order to ensure that the user is staying with us. Okay, so we have to come up with new features, okay, new communication modes always.
Sure.
Okay, that's the biggest challenge, always a pleasing user every 3 months is the biggest challenge on V2 SMS.
So internet security is very critical. What are you doing for your users to give them a spam-free experience?
One is we are educating our consumers on the best practices to use our platform. The other way, we have a privacy team at the back end who is continuously monitoring the activity on V2 SMS. Because it's a communication platform, there is a scope for exploiting the platform even. So we keep monitoring all these activities and we keep responding timely, and we keep blocking so many accounts.
So you've reached about 20 million users across India. What's your target audience and how are you planning to increase this number?
One is going to geographies. The second one is growing in India. So we are sitting on a massive subscriber base. So we are thinking about ways of monetizing this user base. So we probably may be entering into different online businesses very soon.
Reaching out to over 55 million mobile phones every month, V2SMS.com is among the 25 most visited portals in India and the top 500 in the world according to Alexa.com. Raju is now looking to float other consumer internet brands under his parent company, V2 Online.
We are planning to launch a crowd deals platform, okay, wherein user can launch his own deal store and he can sell it to his contacts via social media. Okay, that is something very new in India.
And how soon do you hope to launch this?
It will take another 45 days.
Okay.
Okay,
So
we are actually doing the trial run, all these things.
Sure.
Right now. Another 40, probably in the next month I think it's coming up.
You also have a vision to create a $1 billion company in the internet space. How do you propose to do that?
See, we have two ways of doing the same thing. Okay, one is expanding the horizontally in the country. Okay, two, and vertical play in the global scenario. One, positioning V2 SMS as Skype for messaging. Okay, Skype goes for calling. Okay, and they reach to all corners. Okay, and I think the same way, we may be doing the same way. We may be positioning V2 SMS across the world as a powerhouse for messaging.
Also, do you plan to take your brand international, and what countries would you be looking at?
There are similar telecom ecosystems across the world. Around 12 destinations we have identified right now, okay, which includes Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, UAE, and Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and a few other small countries in Africa.
Right. And would you take the inorganic route, or you plan to grow organically?
Right now we don't have any plans towards the inorganic growth. Okay, and we believe we have so much to do on the organic side of the business. Okay, and first reaching the geographies, and then building the advertising model around it. getting and enforcing the strong revenue models around way to SMS business model.
What are the kind of investments that you're looking at putting, and how are you planning to get onto funds?
We are not hurried, in fact, for raising funds, but as we go globally, I think we probably may go for a first round of funding probably in next 6 to 8 months.
What are your future plans? Also, do you hope to go for an IPO?
Right, it's on the card. In fact, you go 3 years from now, we are planning a blockbuster IPO in the country. The way we are moving and the way we are growing, I think we truly deserve a blockbuster IPO in the country.
All right, Raju, we really hope that you do have a blockbuster IPO. Thank you so much for joining us on Young Turks.
Thank you so much.
Well, Raju, we're going to be watching out for your IPO. Here's wishing you the very best of luck. Time for a break, but when we return, a real rags to riches story on YT Gets Real.